So that's $22 off of the break of 136. That gets you to what? 158, which is even a bit higher than this. But again, this spread is looking at 143, 148. The volatility differential is not very significant. The cost is going to be about $1.50. This is a reasonable one, 17 days. You might shorten up this strike here a little bit, or just give yourself a little bit more time. You could go out 38 days. The skew is not, now we got $5 spreads out here. Sorry, it was the, on Google, 143, 148. So let's go with the 45-day expiration here. 143 is at 27.3, 148, 26.8. Let's go shorter amount of time. 31 days, 43, 30%, 48, 29.2. There's a little bit of impairment there. But again, you could construct something like this or even tighter, 143, 145. Okay, not much of a difference there. That costs you about 85 cents on a $2 white spread. You'd even shift it up a little bit, 144, 146. Okay, it costs you about 80 cents. So anyway, an upside call spread on Google going out about 31 days would be a reasonable one to consider here. We'll stay with the 143 strike, buy deep and wide, 1 month, 2 strike vertical, 85-cent debit. Again, you could move it up a strike or two if you want to be able to get that, get that down a little bit. But this is closer to an in-out spread in terms of probabilities. That's why the cost is a little higher. But you don't need a lot of movement here. Again, break even is going to be out 144-ish, a little less than 144. So a little movement, push it through 145. You're probably out of it pretty quickly at a 70%, around a 70% gain. You can get it this week, 50%, shut it down. So Google. Let's look at a bearish trade here. This is Best Buy. So Best Buy from a technical level. So we're looking at the percentage retracement. Kind of testing this 61% retracement level. We did break it. We put a slightly higher high. But we didn't really close there. We broke down. We're kind of testing this low right now. We actually broke that today on Best Buy. We are breaking above the we're kind of trading towards the high of the session. But if we look here, we've got what? Higher highs and lower lows. This is a broadening formation.